Hey guys, it's me Cassie and we are back again with another video. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to do this makeup look. It's a natural everyday makeup look. So let's just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so the first step that I do, and I do this before I put on any makeup, and that is skincare. It's very important that you take care of your skin, so I put on some skincare before I put on any makeup, and I already did that off camera, so we can just go ahead and start. So the first thing that I do after skincare is put on some concealer. I put it on my under eyes, and I also put it on my dark spots. Now I use my beauty blender and a setting spray to blend it out. Now the next step that I do is put on some Radiance White BB Cream. This is actually a tinted SPF sunscreen. This is the shade 3 Mocha from You. I don't know how, is it YOU or just You? I don't really know, but here it is. Now I'll just put it directly on my face, and I put a very little amount, even though this is already very sheer since this is just a tint. Now I'm just gonna mix it with my hands. Make sure your hands are clean so you don't want to get any infections or bacteria on your face. Now after that, I'm going to put some blush. You can use any brush, but I'm going to be using Blush Brush. It's from Everbilena. There we go. I'm just going to put a little amount since this is a natural makeup look. Now you don't want it to dry, so mix it up already. Next, I do my mascara. First, of course, I curl it with this. Then I apply the mascara. I'm going to be using this one from Maybelline Lash Sensational. It's waterproof. There you have it. Now we're going to do our eyebrows. We're only going to be using some brow soap. This will basically just set your eyebrows in place. For our next and final step, I do my lips. I'm going to be using this one, Pink Flash. And there you have it guys. This is our final natural everyday makeup look. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. But before we end this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on those post notification bells so you can't miss any of my other videos. For more content like this, just check out this playlist right here. Love you guys!